How to make your Instagram account private and also hide your followers and following list. I'll show you step by step. Firstly, let's open up Instagram and click profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now you gotta tap on the three lines in the top right to open up the menu and scroll down to For Professionals section. Here we are interested in creator tools and controls, but this is the name for the new update. So if you are not updated to the latest version, then look for the account type and tools section. Now we gotta click on it and find switch account type. If you can see two options, personal and business, then you have professional account type because we have only three account types: personal, professional, and business. We are interested in switching to personal. Just click on it and click switch to personal account. After a few seconds, you will be switched. And let's just go back in the main settings menu again. But now, scroll down to the Who Can See Your Content section. Here we are interested in account privacy. We need to make our account private so no one will be able to see our photos, videos, followers, and following list. So just toggle on the switch next to private and click blue button switch to private. Again, wait a few seconds and go back to your profile. As you can see, this section, Professional Dashboard, is now missing because we switched to the private account. And next to the name on the top, in the upper left corner, we can see this little lock icon, meaning we have private account. Let me just quickly show you how it will look from a different account. And this is how it should look. As you can see, the person will not be able to reach your followers or following list, and also will not be able to see the content of your account. And by the way, if you want to remove your followers, just click on followers and tap button remove. And that's it. Subscribe for more useful content.